Hi everyone, here in this video we are going to talk about our new functionality which allows us to exclude from synchronization to external systems some product attributes. So let's see how it works. I already created a new product paper plane and used attribute color for creating 3 product variants. If we go in SL models to configuration, attributes, and open any of our attributes, for example, color. On the attribute form, we can find a new checkbox which allows us to exclude from synchronization to external system. But I need to notice that it works. We can activate this checkbox only for attributes which doesn't used before for creating product variants with more than one value. As we saw before, I already created 3 product variants with use of this attribute, so it will be not possible to exclude it. Let's check. I will activate this checkbox, click on save, and here we can see that our attribute cannot be excluded because it's used in product with more than one value, and here we can see the list of these products. Okay, it's not possible, but I also created a new one attribute which I didn't use before, so I can click on exclude, click on save, it works okay. And let's try to add this attribute here. Here we can see some values. I will add one, and I will try to add 2 values for this attribute. And in this case, our system also showing us a validation error message that this attribute cannot have multiple values because it is excluded from synchronization. So for such attributes, we can add only one attribute value. I will choose one. Let's click on save, and for now I will click on first export to external. We'll wait when the job will be finished, and I will update my product page. I will choose Shopify for it, and here we can see that we doesn't have such attribute values in our Shopify. So to check another option, we can just disable this checkbox, update the page of my product. Here we can see that the exclude from synchronization value was updated, checkbox is disabled, and if I will force export to external one more time and update my product page in Shopify, we will see this attribute value here. Here it is. Here we can see our clear value. So this is how we can exclude from attributes from synchronization.